Hi there and welcome to Andy Robinson RC. Cheers for checking out today's episode and checking out the channel. Right then, so the weather, we've had a break in the weather, it's not peeing it down and it's not windy either, so I thought I might as well get out while I can. So I've got a couple of cars to film today, but we're going to start with this one, which is our Halloween build for 2021 based on a Tamiya Hornet chassis. Now, if you haven't seen it already, I'll put the link in the description, but on Halloween, 31st of October, I released a video sort of showing you what I would be doing, and this is the end result. Now, what essentially I've done is taken a Tamiya Hornet chassis and put the CRP Monster truck conversion kit on it and turned it into a monster truck. So, yeah, so what did we do? Well, to the chassis, I took off the side nerf bars and the front Hornet bumper, and we put you can't really see them, but the front upright stub axles, we've changed them to Tamiya lunchbox ones. They allow you to put the bigger, wider wheels at the front because there's a different offset to the normal buggy ones. So we put them on. The rest of it was a standard Hornet chassis build, though we put bearings in as well. So it's got the Monster Beetle gold chrome rims and Monster Beetle tyres, all new. I say it's got that CRP Monster Truck conversion kit along with a Proline Chevy C10 body, and this fits quite well on this. And we use the neon orange Tamiya PS spray paint and the black PS spray paint, which is PS5. We've also got a nice little alloy bumper. This isn't staying on this because this is waiting for my Yun Watanabe kit, the new wild one, so I'm going to actually put on a standard pumpkin lunchbox bumper when it arrives. Also, to be honest, these can knacker your chassis if you're not careful. If you slam that into something, you can actually break the mounting points, so it's more for show than anything, especially on these chassis. So that's pretty much what we did. So I thought we'd just give it a little bit of a drive so you can see what it's like and how it goes. Now, I don't want to drive it too hard and thrash it because I'm going to have to sell this one on to recoup hopefully some of the money outlay for it. So we're just going to give it a little bit of a drive so you can see it. I hope you like the end result. I'm very pleased with it as well, and yeah, let's give it a bit of a go. So I'll put it down. Oh yeah, as well, if you're wondering why the aerial's sticking out, I never put an aerial hole in it in case the next owner doesn't wish to do that. I'm still using 40 meg radio. Right, okay, let's put it down on the ground and give it a bit of a run. So fingers crossed. I say, with it being so light, it's quite a lively thing. Plus, it's got the Monster Beetle wheels on, so it gears it up as well. And of course, it still hops like crazy, being on a Hornet chassis. See it? There it is. Only getting careful. Let's give it another sort of blast over here. And round. Also got my daughter on track. Yeah, I mean, it looks quite cool. Looks nice and bright. The only thing is as well, I had when I put the orange paint down on this, it doesn't go on as like thick as the normal PS paints I found. So without it, with it not being backed in like a silver or white, then it can let some of the light through. But to be honest, for this build, I wasn't prepared to spend another 10 quid on paint for it or so we've just got the two colours. But besides that, that's really my only gripe with it. anyway. But besides that, I'm really happy with it. I think it's cool. I kind of wish I didn't have to get rid of it, but hey ho, there you go. Can't keep them all. And hopefully someone will get some enjoyment out of this. That's good. I'm enjoying it anyway. Okay, so I think we'll leave it there. As I said, I don't want to get this one damaged. Right, so I'll just pick it up here. So there we go. That is the Tamiya stroke CRP monster truck conversion on the Tamiya Hornet chassis. So, oh, that's cool. Hope you like it. Hope you like my Halloween build this year. Right, and if you haven't seen any of our other videos, or your first time you've seen our channel, then please consider subscribing. It'd be much appreciated. Hitting that like button and notification bell so you can catch all our other videos. Right, we'll see you soon. Take care. Look after yourself. See ya.